Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s. First derivative of number 4, this is about the constant. So you got about number 0 in here. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to negative number 1, so I will put negative number 1 going here. So 1 plus 4, we have number 5. When s equals to number 2, we put number 2 going here. 2 squared plus 4, we have 4 plus 4 is about 8. So u equals to number 8. So negative number 1, we change by number 5. Number 2, we change by number 8. This one, we change by u. The s, we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and we put the bounds from number 5 to number 8. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.